single day. I'm gonna make something great.
Hey, what's up guys? I'm Dheeraj. Today I'm show you something special about apps. Today I'm tell you how you download any app from free, not from Play Store but in other application. So let's get started. So first of all we need to download Aptoide. You see here Aptoide is there. So you download easily from here. Go to Google and search Aptoide official APK and search. After that you see the first link. Click on first link and after that you go here. You can download easily from here. I already download, so I don't not download now. So after you download, open the app. Look, this is look like a Play Store. You see all thing is there, updates. You can also update apps from here. Look, this is all my apps. So I'm show you some paid app which are in Google Play Store, but there is a paid apps. But here you can download any app from free. Like now I'm opening Play Store and search like Grand Theft Auto. You can see there Grand Theft Auto San Andreas, Grand Theft Auto Vice City, Grand Theft Auto Third, and all are they are all are speeds. So go here Aptoide and search here Grand Theft Auto and search. Sorry, sometimes searching problem. Simply search GTA and now you see Grand Theft Auto San Andreas. It's a free. And now here you can also see this app is trusted or not. Here look, the app signature does not match with the developer's signature. The app of may have been tampered with, scanning with Aptoide guard plus two different antivirus. So you can easily download it here. This is no fake, not make of this, the app not make hacker, and no trojan, no anything in this virus and else thing in this app. You can simply click here and download from here simply. So I am not downloading now, and I am show you some other apps which are paid. Like, wait, I'm searching here paid apps. Like you see Hitman Sniper. You go here and search Hitman Sniper. Sometimes this app gives searching problem, but don't worry. Hitman Sniper. Here you see trust it and free install. You click here and downloading start. You can download any app from here, free app. All the app are here is free. So that's all. So guys, please subscribe my channel and thank you for watching. Goodbye.